Hey guys, what is up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So I'm back with another protective hairstyle for you all. This time I decided to switch it up and try a new color because I always tend to gravitate towards the blonder colors just because I love it so much, but I really wanted to do something a little bit different in regards to color, so I am in love. This is not a sponsored video. However, divatress.com did send me this hair for my 100% honest review, whether it was good or bad, which is what made me say yes in the first place, because I don't ever want to do a review about something and get paid for a positive review or something like that. Like that's just not something that I'm really interested in. But you guys, I love this hair so much. The only thing I will say is I got 6 packs of this hair, and I wish I would have asked for maybe 8 packs because I feel like I could have used a little bit more, but I am still overall very satisfied with how it came out and the quality of the hair so far. I will have the hair linked below. The link provided is not an affiliate link or anything like that. I do not make any money off of this at all whatsoever. Divatress did also give me a promo code for any first-time customers, which is new diva 10, and I will have that up here on the screen as well as in the description box below. That is for 10% off their already low prices. Like 1 pack of this hair is on sale right now. When I last checked, it was like $4.95 or something, and it's usually around $10, so that's already a good deal. And it comes with about 24 of these little crochet twists. But anyway, if you're interested to see how I installed these crochet twists, then keep on watching. All right, so I am starting off with cornrows. As you can see, I have about 12 in the front, and then each 2 connect to one longer piece, and then it's all connected in the back. The last crochet video that I did for the faux locks, I actually did individual braids, so this time I am going to be doing it with the cornrows. I'm going to start off by putting some of this oil in my hair, or on my scalp rather, and this is the Aunt Jackie's for girls because I use this on my daughter when I do her braids, and it is the E-Blast Vitamin and Flaxseed Nourishing Scalp Remedy, and it's nourishment for braids, locks, twists, coils, and chronically dry scalp and hair. So I'm going to just spray this in between my braids just to get my scalp nourished and ready for these crochet twists that I'm going to be doing. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Here is the hair, 26 inches, so it's going to be really long. These are the FreeTress braid in the style Zoey Twist Curly, 26 inches in the color 530. So I'm going to go ahead and get started in the front, and I'm going to go ahead and grab my little crochet twist. It's already nicely twisted for you with the little curly ends. I have my little crochet needle, and I'm just going to go ahead and put the needle underneath the braid here. Make sure the latch is open, and then get the loop from the crochet hair and get that on the hook. Close the latch and pull it through so you can see that it's underneath the braid there in front. And now what you want to do is Latch the end of the crochet twist so you can pull it through the hole, the little crochet loop there, and then just loop it tight, and boom, one down, and I don't know how many to go. Okay, so I'm back for the close-up. I'm pretty much done. It's been about 2.5 hours, so pretty quick. So let's get this last bad boy in. So we're starting with the crochet needle and hook and latch, whatever you want to call it. And I am gonna go ahead and put it underneath the braid, and I am gonna grab my crochet hair, and the loop on the hair is gonna go on the hook, and as you can see, it's hooked right there. I'm gonna close the latch and pull it under and through. So as you can see, it is underneath, and I'm gonna go ahead and push the loop onto the needle. This side of the crochet hair, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it around so you get a good little grip on it for the hook. Get the hook on it, close the latch, and then you're gonna go ahead and pull it through this loop here, which is gonna help you pull the hair through. And so now we're like this, and we're gonna just tighten it up. And what I do when I get to the root is I put my hand or my fingers, secure it at the root of my hair, so when I'm pulling on the crochet twist to tighten it, I'm not pulling out my hair. So I'm using my fingers here to keep my hair down while I pull to tighten. And it's in. Okay, so that is pretty much it. I hope that that was really detailed enough. I really did my best to make sure that I was explaining it properly for maybe somebody who's new to the crochet game, just like me. I'm still new and I'm still learning, and I always tell you guys that I am no expert, but I'm definitely that DIY person that I just like to do things by myself if I can. And like I said, this isn't sponsored. I'm not making any money off any links or any of those promo codes. That's all for you. At DivaTress's website, they have so many other things on their sites, like wigs and braiding hair, as well as the crochet style. So definitely a site that you want to check out. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up, and while you're there, you already know what to do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more videos from me. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.